When they add a vehicle, they have all of that vehicle's information instantly, and that data is incredibly accurate.
So Neil, what new capabilities has AutoTrader Connect brought to your business?
Stock management, well, the vehicle data, the taxonomy is unparalleled. The level of detail we get for each vehicle, that obviously makes the advertising process far easier for the dealer. They simply enter a registration and they've got all the vehicle information there instantly. Moving through to valuations, the ability to have an instant retail valuation as we're pricing the vehicle is obviously a fantastic tool for the dealer.
We've always been long avid users of AutoTrader's data facilities, and the fact with AutoTrader Connect, it means that's now available within our dealer management software system called MotorDesk. It is brilliant. It was revolutionised how efficiently we can operate and use that data, as well as how well we can apply it. So not only does it mean from the entering of a registration plate, we've got all of AutoTrader's data relating to vehicles ported straight into our dealer management system, as well as our adverts. It also means we can advertise straight to AutoTrader.
It's everything from the miles per gallon, acceleration, but also the background of the vehicle, so it can assess perhaps MOT failures when evaluating a part exchange. That ability to advertise instantly to AutoTrader is obviously fantastic. They're not wasting time waiting to get their advert online for customers to see. If they're waiting 6 hours for a feed to go through.
I mean, efficiency and time saving, unquestionably. I mean, I would go as far as to say I think probably that integration saves almost a whole man-person's worth of labour. You know, whereas using previous systems, I've had to have someone input data into our dealer management system, then you put an advert on AutoTrader, then you put quite a complicated set of data together for our website.
How important is live market data in building retailer confidence when making sourcing or pricing decisions?
Invaluable. That ability to have an instant both part exchange and retail valuation when assessing, purchasing a vehicle and selling it, and also the ability to compare the current vehicle valuations against our current prices for vehicles we already have advertised. So we can look back at our current stock and see, has the price changed? Should we be reducing our pricing or perhaps increasing?
I think it's incredibly important. I mean, obviously we just deal with electric vehicles, and the electric vehicle market is notoriously volatile, affected by a variety of different factors that perhaps don't affect the rest of the motor trade. However, I think it's probably relevant across all of the motor trade. The fact it's live data is hugely important, especially when it comes to pricing decisions, because you want that car priced right from day one.
And with more retailers looking to implement digital services and processes, what does the future hold for this particular industry?
Hopefully more automation to improve time saving for dealerships, less time filling out forms, more time getting the job done. We're already integrating all this fantastic data with more modern technologies like AI. MotorDesk can already write vehicle descriptions for the dealer, a feature that overnight 50% of the dealerships switch to. And we're just going to continue looking for new ways to help dealers save time.
So, you know, whilst perhaps kind of online remote purchasing has died down a little bit since COVID, I think there's a big element of that process which makes more sense to the consumer, and it is efficient, and I think that's going to remain a big thing. It may be a more hybrid way of purchasing, where actually kind of, you know, there's a human touchy-feely kind of experience to the process, but getting the technology such as MotorDesk, AutoTrader, online finance, doing the bulk of the heavy lifting, I think it makes sense, and I think that's where things are heading.
And have it brought any new capabilities to Drive Green, the AutoTrader and MotorDesk partnership?
Well, the fact it all integrates together is very good. It means we're using that data a lot more, so it enables me to use it as a valuation tool for not only the cars we're buying, but things like part exchanges.